recording the sewer line here at Valerie and Aaron Green. Dates Wednesday, March 11th, 2020. What we're looking at is about 42 feet out from the 42 feet out from the toilet flange that I'm recording this from is a large root and what looks like broken section of pipe. So the bottom of the pipe is missing here about 42 feet. See how we're dipping in? There's a pool. There's kind of intact pipe. This is on the right side of the screen. So we got the bottom of the pipe is on the right side of the screen right now. That's old plastic pipe that was installed at some point. And then about a foot beyond that, we've got a broken section of the bottom of the sewer line. I'm going to pull back from here and we'll get a look at the rest of the line. We got some root intrusion issues. So, new plastic pipe somebody installed around the turn there. Flip us back right side up. So the bottom is now kind of at the bottom of the screen where it's supposed to be. So newer plastic. There is a clean out access out there in the yard I'm going to take a look at. That's at the top right side of the screen. You kind of see what looks like a oval shaped hole in the pipe. That's actually a clean out access out in the yard on the east side of the house. Coming back into old concrete pipe now. You see a little root there, little root there, large root there, and then we're back into plastic again. So again, somebody's installed some plastic outside, which is nice. And then back into cast iron pipe. So this is what's running underneath the home, over by the laundry area, and back towards this toilet that I'm recording this from. So coming out of the toilet flange there's our toilet flange. I've done some locating outside already. I'm going to end the recording here. I'm only able to get 42 feet out until I get to that broken section and the camera won't make it any further. So that's going to be a good starting point for us. I'll end the recording and discuss.